There's just this huge boat hanging on. Yeah. Like, it looks like a mini Alaskan cruise boat. No, like, well, I don't know how big cruise boats are, but probably like half the size, cut a cruise boat in half, and that's how big it is. Like, it's bigger than every boat pretty much put together at the harbor, but you know. Yeah, I'll post this video on Facebook maybe, and you'll be able to hear me talking in the background. It's like sliding sideways. Really weird. Holy cow, it's hauling. I know. Like, right behind the propellers and the engine, I should just jump back there. Yeah.